I would like to invite Kalyani Sardesai. Kalyani Sardesai is a Pune-based journalist, copywriter, ad film writer, and author of several non-fiction books. With over two decades of experience in media houses, including the Indian Express, DNA, and the Times of India, and magazines like Heritage India and Corporate Citizen. She has written primarily on education, history, child rights, culture, literature, film, and women's issues. Please give a warm welcome to Mrs. Kalyani Sardesai.
I suppose I'm audible to everyone, even at the back. I'm here for the second time. The last time I was here was in 2023 for the launch of Ambition and Entrance. And it is so amazing to see you go from strength to strength. So Hasji, congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, and lovers of the written word, welcome. We gather today not to merely launch a book, but to celebrate an idea, one that Suhas Inamdar has spent his entire literary career quietly and powerfully illuminating, that the way we live our lives is the greatest story we will ever tell. Those of you who have walked through the pages of Suhas's previous works will know that he writes in a genre he himself invented, motivational fiction. Now, this is a genre that was quite the revelation to me. A journalist and writer of socially themed research non-fiction books that are sadly anything but motivational. My own family teases me about it. And which is why somebody like me really needs Suhasji's books. For sure, they encourage us to look for the light within, but they are not dry self-help. They are not detached philosophy. They are instead living, breathing stories that carry wisdoms in their bones. In Ambition in Aprons, which was the first book that I read, he showed us that courage does not announce itself. It simply refuses to sit down. And in the last evidence, he reminded us that karma is not a threat. It is a promise that goodness echoes across a lifetime. And now with Legacy, Suhas asks us perhaps the most profound question of all. What will you leave behind? The story of Vikram Malhotra, a man who built an empire, loved in secret, and left the world before he could see what he had set in motion, is not just a family saga. It is a mirror. Vikram's two sons fight, they divide, they shrink what was once vast, and yet from an unexpected corner of the story comes Karan, the son no one knew about, the heir no one expected, who chooses unity over pride and purpose over bitterness. In doing so, Karan doesn't just preserve a business empire, he earns a legacy. And therefore, that subtitle, True Legacy is Earned, Not Inherited, is the very heartbeat of this book. It is a declaration. It tells us that legacy is not a surname. It is not title or wealth. It is the quiet daily choices we make to build rather than break, to unite rather than to divide, to rise with grace than collapse with grievance. Suhas has always believed, and his books have always shown, that the world is beautiful if only you have the eyes to see it. There is no cynicism in his writing. There is challenge, yes. There is conflict and loss and failure. But at the center of every story he tells, there is a human being who chooses to be better than their circumstances. That is not naive optimism. That is the deepest kind of courage, and it is the gift of this author, a very, very generous and kind gentleman himself. So, in conclusion, as you hold this book in your hands today, I invite you to ask yourself the question it poses. If your story ended tomorrow, what would remain? And if the answer doesn't satisfy you, well, that is exactly why Suhasji wrote this book, because it is never too late to earn the legacy you wish to leave. Thank you so much.